Hello and welcome to Guns and Gear. And there's a question going around right now on YouTube, and that's what's your most beautiful handguns? Well, for me, and beauty is in the eye of the beholder, for me it's blued steel and wood. And here are two fine examples right here. First is a 1911, and this is a Colt Delta Elite. And this is a first production run of the 10mm. Second is a very early model 57. That's a 57-1, and that's a 41 Magnum with a 8 3/8 inch barrel. Okay. And to keep with blued steel and wood, here is a fine example of a tomahawk. This is a custom tomahawk by Devin Price at Two Hawks. Alright guys, that's my guns. Let's see yours. Thanks.